Hi everybody, I'm signed in to InstaChamp here, and as you can see I've got my account connected to both my Instagram and my Facebook, so any messages I get on either platform get an automatic response. Now the free features here are a DM greeting, and I have it active here. It's really easy to toggle it on, and as you can see you can just type in what you want it to say. You can add a couple links, and then you can see over on the right here what it looks like when someone sends you a message. This works. It works. People get your link and it's so easy for them to click on it and get right to your landing page. And I track this to my landing page and it is generating traffic. It works. So you go back to the main screen here and we'll go down to the next feature that is part of the free plan, and that's the catch-all. And that's basically if they haven't triggered anything else, this is a nice message that they can get as well, that you can customize and add an image to it. And again, you can see it on the right there, what it looks like. This is just a very simple tool to use. As you become more popular, it's going to be harder to keep up with all the DMs you start to get. The final freebie is if you have any story mentions, click on that. You can see that I put my picture there, and I just have a little quick message thanking them for the mention. And again, you can preview that. It's just great to get started on this. You can unlock other features later to have more customization, to make it more personal, but at free of charge just to generate traffic, this is a no-brainer. I hope this demo helped you, and go ahead and get started.